Nurse Steph here. But I'm also a fitness fiend. Everybody always asks me natural ways to get that booty popping, girl. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20, 3 times a week. You're gonna see results in a month.
Oh, thanks for that. We're just doing our squats. You know, we just heard it makes a huge difference. It burns, but it's a good burn, isn't it?
It does, and it feels good.
I hit like this. All right. So our go-to fashion expert, Denise Caldwell, is here with the next 2 bits of good news, and they don't involve any exercise at all. Let's get to it. Marianne is here as well. She's interested in finding a hack today. Why do you want to boost your butt, as they say?
Because as I'm getting older, I feel that my butt looks flat in jeans, and for more confidence and, you know, just to make me feel better about myself.
So I get the desire. I just want to do it safely.
Absolutely.
And you promised no exercise involved in your hacks.
No exercise and no surgery. And, you know, I wanted to pull them out from behind, but, I have a nice little derriere. But Hollywood's secret, which is genius, is butt pads. And you can add it to your shapewear, where we see on the mannequin right here, Marianne. And it's really just a great addition to giving you a little more bootay, giving you a little bit more cushion for the pushing, as I like to say. And this is made out of material like microfiber or silicone. You can add it to, your favorite undergarment where there's inserts, or you can add it to shapewear too. And it's really something that celebrities have been using to boost their confidence for years on the red carpet.
Where do you find them?
Yes, you can find these online at your fast fashion websites or at your local retailers, like in the lingerie section, the hosiery section, or the shapewear section.
So these are a gift to you from the show.
Thank you.
Denise insisted.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
All right. The next hack is a pair of viral butt sculpting leggings that have become a big-time hit, especially when the women of TikTok did an experiment to see if they could get their husband's attention. Watch this.
Hey! What?
Garage door, I think the door to the garage is wide open.
Oh, well, that's great.
Hello. Wow.
Honey?
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, how are you? Whoa. Yes. Let me get them cheeks.
Oh, boy, I love that. Listen, I'm all in my wife's brain. I don't really understand those men at all, right, Denise? So it's a foreign concept. I mean, how big are these? No pun intended.
No pun intended. I mean, they're huge. I mean, these are so popular. Even celebrity Lizzo purchased them, and she wore them on social media. But the great thing about it is that they have amazing fabrics. So what they do is they're going to kind of curvature to your derriere, and then they kind of give this incision in the middle, and then lift the butt up.
I gotta say, I'm so impressed at how they've changed the relationships between the couples in that video that I wanted to help Jessica out because she wants to try these for the first time today. So this is her before image. And now, Jessica, come on out. What? I gotta say, Jessica, I'm so happy you backed your way onto the stage. It has never been done before.
I know. I'm so happy to be in these. They're so nice. Lizzo was right.
Oh my gosh, you look incredible.
Thank you
How do
so
you feel? Are they comfortable, or do you feel like you might have a little wedgie?
No wedgies here. They're amazing. They're not riding up. They give me the boost that I need, and they're so comfy. I mean, look. I mean,
I
they look
love
great.
it. Instant boost in the butt, in the backside, without the surgery, and without the squats,
I mean,
right?
you can't go wrong with that.
I think my big question is, why didn't someone invent this earlier? What took so long, Denise? What is
Who
wrong?
knows? But I'm here for it.
I know, me too. These are so nice.
All right,
I can hit the gym in these.
That's right. The gym in those.
Yeah, girl.
Right.
Work.
Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
We're going to put all the natural butt boosting hacks on DrOz.com for all you at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.